Chestnuts roasting on the fire, Jack Frost slipping at your nose, Yuletide carol being sung by a choir, and folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe help to make the season bright. Tiny tots with her eyes all aglow find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh, and every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeers really know how to fly. And so I'm offering this simple phrase. The kids from 1 to 92, although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to you.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I wanted to let you know that I have the bandsaw reindeer available in my Etsy shop in both cherry and a mixed species, which are pretty darn cool if I do say so myself. Also, I've been really low-key about Patreon on this channel. I've never talked about it other than to have the little thing in the end screen. But if you want to support the channel, I would love to do more complicated editing videos like the one you just saw. But, you know, I live in the real world, and so there's got to be more support if that's going to happen. That's the reality of it. I hope you all have a great holidays, and we'll see you next year. Or maybe even before then.